But before I was essentially a Japanese citizen, before I spent half my years in Japan, before there was auction videos every single day, this was our auction. This is where we were able to explore vehicles. This is where we were opening doors. This is where I would get screamed at if, God forbid, I went like this to someone's car because they're like, oh my God, it's not your car. What are you doing? You shouldn't do this. Meanwhile, in Japan, they rev these things to the balls. They get in and out of them. They leave food inside them. We've seen drinks left inside of them. But this one in particular is actually a car deal page car. Shout out to Indan Imports. I believe this is theirs. We've seen this over there. This thing is super nice. Shout out to them. Let me see if the battery's dead. Give them a little boost if you're watching. Yeah, battery's super dead. So when you come back, make sure you got a booster on this. But yeah, I can't wait to get one of these. A lot of the Patreon homies are BB fans, which I didn't know. And I know that when the time comes, a lot of people are going to grab these guys. I've seen them in black, yellow. I like the wheels on there. I think this is TIki's, if I'm not mistaken. Let me also, this is a really nice pickup. Whoever bought this, shout out to you. The thing is clean and stick shift. Let's see. Oh, look at that. They left it on accessory. I mean, they left it on. What do you know? The battery's dead. Big shocker. All right, so hopefully the guy who picks this up, or girl, comes with a booster. Really nice, though. I wish I could have started a lot of these cars. Wow, even has a Nardi shifter, too? No, but this is sick. Nice little attention to detail there. I've actually never seen under these as a DSM fanboy. Yeah, man, twin turbo. I'm not sure if this one's four-wheel drive or not. I could check if they left the auction sheet inside, but I wouldn't care if it was. Give me front-wheel drive, twin turbo, wagon, any day of the week. Even has this in there. Oh, yeah, it is here. Let's see. Four-wheel drive, look, even nice. 3.5B. You know, TIki only gets the clean stuff. Really nice. All jokes aside, though, I haven't been here in over 8 months. And I was just asking them questions because it's been my first time. Like, I felt like the people who've never imported a car before coming here today. Like, I didn't pay the port fee. I didn't even know how much it was to pay it. But I'll probably give you guys a full breakdown because I'm going to make this a two-part video. I'm going to make a video showing you guys my latest pickup. You guys should know what that car is. And then now I just kind of want to walk around. This is another car deal page car. They left this door open, unfortunately. Alright, well, I guess they'll figure that out. But let's see, is this one dead? Okay, we got some juice in here. Nice. Oh, well, it's car, but at least you get some power. I'm not sure exactly who bought this. I think it's Russell or something. Some B-forward cars. Nice Sambar. Car deal page? No, I don't see a car deal page sticker. Automatic, nice. You really don't see these in automatic way too often. Double din. Can't tell if it's supercharged or not like the previous models, but at least we got some power in the key. No rims or nothing. You could tell if it was a Wait for the Fame car because it'll probably have wheels on it. I think all my homies actually picked up their cars already. There was a guy who came and got the Honda Street. There was a Gino that was here that one of the homies picked up. Let me see what else is here. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know why they didn't pick this up. Comment below, but I know they were here. Maybe the battery's just so dead because you can see the hood is also slightly popped. But this is a 318, I believe. Fun fact, this car is very nostalgic to me because the first car I was ever going to buy in my entire life was a clapped stick shift version of this. Let me know if it's a 318. I feel like it is. But I was going to buy, I'm telling you guys, it was terrible. But I was 17. I think they wanted $800. I probably had $800 to my name. And I thought it would have been cool to be like, oh, my first car is a BMW. I would have learned how to drive stick shift in it. It was a 2-door. But thank God I didn't buy that. Actually, what I bought was an Eclipse, second-gen Eclipse. Then I bought another Eclipse. Then I bought another Eclipse. Then I bought 7 Miata straight, all jokes aside. Next, we got a blue Hijet. Oh, this one does a Climber with diff lock, 92,000 kilometers, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, AC. Nice. This is a really good sought after truck. Whoever picked this up, if you're watching, good job. Bed looks good. Tires look decent. This is an Acti, dime a dozen at this point. 4-wheel drive, no AC, 85,000 kilometers. Okay, bed looks so decent though. Oh, blue acne. Ooh, nice rims. Bed looks nice. AC too. Okay, nice little loaded truck. Only has 60,000 kilometers. Some new stuff here, but I think sometimes it goes from here to maybe another country. This Benz has actually been here for a long time. I was looking at these. I was like, who the hell brought this in? You know, this definitely piqued my interest. Left-hand drive too, interesting. More new stuff. Nice Sambar with some wheels. 4-wheel drive, no AC, 63 clicks. A lot of news, like, man. Hijack cargo, can you imagine me whipping this over here? I actually want to buy this over there because these are dirt cheap. I doubt it's new. Let me check. I see plastic everywhere. I don't know if this one is actually new though. Let me see. Kilometers, let's say. Oh, 77. Yeah, this is a brand new one. But like the same body style, I was looking these up over there. They're so cheap because they're not sought after. They're cargo vehicles. They're cargo vehicles. Like my Tri at the end of the day is still like a nice van. The one in Japan. Like this is not, you know, you don't want to sit here with Miss Husky for 3 hours. Look at the roof. There's probably very little sound deadening. Doesn't even have a tack. Doesn't even have a radio. So I know these aren't the most popular. But I don't know if I want to commit that much to like not having any amenities in my quote-unquote forever van. If I'm gonna get one that isn't import legal, I'm just gonna stay there forever. Next we have a Sambar Classic. Shout out to TIki again. 2-wheel drive, AC, 51,000 clicks. I'm not gonna say what I really want to say. Actually, I'm gonna say it. This is unacceptable. This is really unacceptable. I think that there needs to be a talk with the people who are in charge of cleaning vehicles, because I should never see this in my car if we're paying a cleaning fee. And the people I'm speaking about are these guys right here. Car deal page. Rodrigo, June, if anyone is watching, we gotta put it together, man. I don't want to see cigarettes in here. I know they do the yard photos and the yard people all hate my guts because I be on it, but like that's unacceptable in my opinion. Unacceptable. There should not be cigarette butts in our cars. When you guys clean them, take that thing out. Hey, it starts. Nice. Let me close that because every time I look at it, it pisses me off. And why is it doing this? The door's open? God. But yeah, it starts, TIki. Good news. Let me send him a video of it starting. Overall, nice van though. I would love to get a classic 2-wheel drive. You guys know me. I don't really care for the 4-wheel drive. I know there's literally snow in front of me, but realistically, I won't be driving this in the snow. See if the AC works. Oh, you definitely hear it kick on. AC does work. We realize that the radio statics. It's probably gonna get swapped over anyway. Wipers are good. Headlights. Hazards. Yeah, nice truck. Horn. Sweet. Let me send him a video. Can anyone ID this car? And that one? Pretty cool to see stuff like that get transported all around the world. But I would say this section here, I don't want to stay here too long because I left my car somewhere I'm not sure I could even park. And God forbid. Oh, shout out to the homie Matt. This is his car. This is for sale if anyone's interested. I think a good price as well. Let's see if I put it on the screen if he tells me soon enough. I don't think he even seen the car in person yet, so I doubt he has a price in mind. But if anyone's interested, definitely hit me up. Okay, so apparently I don't know how to start cars anymore. Or is the steering wheel locked? Oh, it's diesel. Nice. 138,000 kilometers. It has all these fancy buttons. Winter, power, comfort, sport. Whatever this is. That. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. TOD. Foldable mirrors. Pop the hood. GPS. AC. Clock. Dual airbag. Power windows. White. Gold rims. Isuzu Wizard is what it's called. Looks good. Actually looks pretty cool. Looks like, oh wow, even has LEDs. Looks like a cooler version of a like Pathfinder, if that makes sense. Didn't I do this? Or is the snow just too crazy right now? I gotta send a video to the homie Matt. 3.0 dual overhead cam turbo. Ooh, wow, expensive battery too. This is the nice Panasonic one. Whenever you see a blue battery in your car, just, oh, 2 batteries, I didn't even realize. Whenever you see the 2, look at the turbo. I'm losing my mind right now, look at this. I feel like you never see a turbo that much in your face. But yeah, whenever you see blue batteries in your imports, it's the expensive Panasonic one. Sounds good. Hold on, let me pause and send him a video. It's even got a time belt sticker from like what? It says 102 on there. So that's 35,000 kilometers ago. Okay, he was scared about this one. He was like, oh, I got this Wizard. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find anyone to buy it. I mean, I don't know much about these cars, and I'll see if I put a price on the screen, but I think it looks nice. I'm assuming it has LEDs right now. Yeah, someone took care of this thing. Yeah, I think it's cool. Comment below. Would you buy this? Is it a cool car in general, regardless if you'd buy it or not? So these are all going to, it's in New York now, but maybe allegedly going to India. A bunch of these Suzuki Swifts. Would I also love to have one of those? There's a bunch of them. And then there's a handful of cars over here. Think of Pajero Mini. This is where my Yuga was, actually. Suzuki Frocks. If you live in India, if you live overseas, let me know if you see these guys over there. They are right-hand drive. And they all have this, so I'm assuming brand new. Suzuki APV. I've never even seen this in Japan. A nice panel van. Oh, the handle's here, which is interesting. Oh, it opens like this. Wow. I definitely was not expecting it. Wow, look how new this is. I was not expecting it to open like a normal door. But a Jimny, I think this also might be Matt. Yeah, this is also Matt. Same guy who got the other car. Let's see if this one starts too. Is he gonna go 2 for 2 right now? Automatic, okay. No, unfortunately he is not. I'll leave this right here. Oh, that's broken. That's pretty GM way to close it. But yeah, nice Jimny, also for sale. I think that's his. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's his. Pajero Mini. Shout out to whoever got this. Woof. Big baller. Where's this going? Alfards. Is there paper? I don't see any paper. Carry. Newer Hijet. Look at this. I've been getting some ink. This looks like its own. Wow, it doesn't look like ET or something. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it almost looks like a, like imagine this being like a Moto Compo. Like you have the mirrors that fold up like a Moto Compo. You got the wheels, you have the headlights. Obviously you cannot ride this. I don't even know what this is. Someone comment below if you bought this too. Cool stuff. I've never seen this before. But a nice canter. These all go up. Let's walk back. Let me give you guys a sneak peek of my vehicle that I picked up that was parked right here. That is honestly breaking so many necks that I cannot wait to prove people wrong. Like, it's to the point now where I don't even know. I'm going to sell it, obviously. I mean, I'm going to be back here in a couple weeks, which is great. So on that trip, we're picking up 4 cars. So I'm going to see if I can find at least 1 or 2 homies to come with me. I got the Rover Mini, Ford Ka. I'm so excited about the Yuga with the Ford Ka and the Mini, of course. But the Ford Ka, very excited about. The rear power liftgate carry, and then the Tri-7. The Tri-7's automatic, so I know I can have anyone like come with me to drive that one. But I gotta find another person that can drive stick. Maybe ask TIki to come with me. So here it is, the reason that I'm here. Stay tuned for the full video on this. Make sure to like this. Subscribe. Road to 100K. Let's see if we can get to 50K before April, man. Let's get to 50K ASAP. It's YUGGGGGGAAAAAA. Welcome to the WayBeforeTheFame Garage. Peace.
Remember the name. This is WayBeforeTheFame.